This video outlines in short, the steps to circulate draft assessment report of an annual safety report, or ASR-AR, as well as how to create and consolidate considerations. In the Authority workspace, once the Safety Assessing Member State, or SAMS, is appointed for an annual safety report, a new task is released in its Tasks tab, the Circulate Draft ASR-AR. Once the task is assigned to you, in the working area of the task, you can upload the draft assessment report of the ASR in the respective field. You can use a template to fill in the report. Click on the Generate Template button to download it, fill in the details, and then upload it, using the Add Document button. Only Word files can be used for the draft assessment report. You can upload supporting documents, if it is needed. Once you upload the draft report, the Share button is activated. Use it to share the draft with the other MSCs. Once you share it, the submission date is populated, and the Complete Task button is activated. After the report is shared, all the MSCs will receive a notice, informing them that an ASR assessment report has been issued. Click on it to get transferred to the ASR page. Click on the Assessment tab, and open the Assessment Documents subsection, if you want to review the shared documents. You can already start documenting considerations, in the Considerations subsection. Back to the SAMS workspace, in the Tasks tab, you can see that the task Circulate Draft ASR-AR has been already assigned to you. You can extend the deadline by using the Extend button on the right side. Click on the task to get transferred to the respective working area. Since the task has not been completed yet, you can update the draft ASR assessment report, or add more documents. Use the Share button to share it with the other MSCs. You can complete the task by using the respective button in the end of the page. Once you complete the task, new tasks will be released. In SAMS workspace, in the Tasks tab, the Task Finalize assessment will be released, while in the MSCs Tasks tab, the Task Review ASR-AR will be released. In this example, the Task Review ASR-AR is assigned to you. You will get transferred to the respective working area, in the Considerations section of the Assessment tab. Use the +New button to insert your considerations. In the pop-up window, type the details of the consideration, and use the Save button to list it in the Considerations area. More can be added. From the MSC value, you can see which MSC logged each consideration. You can take actions on the considerations, either to many of them, by using the tick-in boxes at the left side of each consideration, and then the appropriate action button. Or to only one consideration, by using the three-dot button next to each consideration. Click on the three-dot button of the first consideration, and then on the Edit button, to make changes on the text field that has the details of the consideration. Click the Save button to capture the changes on the consideration. You can remove the second consideration by using the Remove button. You can share considerations with the other MSCs. Use the tick-in boxes to select them, and from the Actions button, click on the Share option. The share date is populated. After sharing the considerations, you cannot edit or remove them. The respective buttons have been deactivated. Only the Comment button remains activated. You can use it to insert your comment and ask other MSCs' opinions. Type the comment in the field to activate the Submit button, and use it to share the comment with the other MSCs. Your comment is listed. The MSC that inserted the comment, and the time the comment was logged, can be seen above the details of the comment. Next to the cloud icon, you can see the digit 1 that indicates the comment you just added. all the MSCs can insert their comments. The digit value will increase accordingly. You can use also the drop-down arrow button to insert your comment. In the SAMS workspace, open the ASR and click on the Assessment tab to view the considerations in the respective section. Using the comments functionalities, the MSCs can make decisions on each one of them. Considering the comments, the SAMS will need to consolidate the considerations. For the first listed consideration, click on the three-dot button, and then, on the Accept button. You could add a comment, if needed. Click on the Save button, to complete the consolidation of the consideration. The changes are reflected on the list, with the status, and the consolidation date, being populated. Use the Adapt button, to consolidate the second consideration. Edit the text of the consideration. In the text field below, insert a comment, to activate the Save button. After saving the adapted consideration, it is consolidated with the status, and the consolidation date, being populated. For the third consideration, it has been decided to be not included. You need to add a comment, to activate the Save button. Use it to consolidate the consideration. As before, status and consolidation date are populated. After consolidating the considerations, click on the Consolidated Considerations tab. The SAMS should share the consolidated considerations with the other MSCs. All MSCs and the SAMs can add their comments. This video is part of the CTIS training program. For more information on how to circulate an ASR-AR, or how to create and consolidate considerations, you may visit our training platform and our additional materials.